Open Gemini app and click on Above selection bar. Then choose Veo to model. Now type your prompt what type of video you want to make. Here you can see Gemini Veo to model is generating video according to our prompt. It will take some time. Here you can see this is our video created by Gemini Veo 2 feature. Now we will see how can we download generated video by Gemini Veo 2 feature. Repeat video 1 all steps, then I will tell you how can we download any generated video by Gemini Veo 2. So here you can see this is generated video. Click on this video. Here download icon is appearing. Click on this icon. Our video is downloaded successfully. This is the notification.